Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manually install the KB5077744 update on Windows 11. Let's get straight into it. First, open the Start menu and click on Settings. Next, click on System. Scroll all the way down and select About. Under Windows Specifications, check your Windows version. For example, mine is Windows 11 version 2.5H2. This step is important because you must download the update that matches your version and system type. Now, open the link you'll find in the video description. Once the page opens, type KB5077744 in the search box. Look for the update that matches your system, such as Windows 11 version 2.5H2X64. Click on it. Then click KB5077744 to start the download. Wait for the update file to finish downloading. After the download is complete, locate the update file on your PC. Double-click the file. When prompted, click Yes to allow the installation. Now wait while Windows installs the update. This may take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the installation finishes, click Restart to complete the process. After your PC restarts, the update will be successfully installed. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions.